Hey guys, it's Bogs45 here, and I haven't done a video in a while. I have a few things to tell you about. I will be doing some Minecraft videos because I downloaded the fossil and archaeology mod where you get like dinosaurs and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I'll do some videos on that. I'll probably upload one later. Sorry about that. I went to Wales for a couple of days. I just got back about 20 minutes ago. Pretty good. I didn't record while I was there. I should have though, but I didn't take my camera, so I don't know what that face was. Anyway, so yeah, there's not really much to talk about, but yeah, that's basically why I did this video, was to sort out what was going on with my videos. I will do some Happy Wheels videos soon because the holiday's nearly over, so we'll go back to school and stuff. There's one more thing that I forgot. Oh, my eye. Ow, that hurt. I don't know what I did, but you know. I'm trying to figure out how to, like, when I'm playing games, to put like a little box in the corner, like maybe up here or up here, to my facial reactions, because I'm trying to do Slender, but because I have Windows 8 I don't think there's a way, so I'm not sure. So if you have Windows 8, can you tell me how to do that, please, because that would be really helpful. So yeah. Oh, I've got a surprise. Right, follow me. Where's it? Okay. So, you know, people do like Wii videos for the Wii and stuff. Well, I was thinking, because one of my friends, they decided to let me borrow Pikmin 1 and Pikmin 2. So, yeah, Pikmin. I might do some videos on that, maybe. I just need a way how to record that without doing it like that, like I always do, which kind of fails, but then it just sucks completely. My Spore isn't working on this laptop, so I can't do a Spore video. Right then. Bye.